All right. When you guys hear of the word sciatica, what does that mean to you, Bill?
I don't know. I've never had any pain.
God bless you. It's just a guess. God bless you. Pat, what does that mean to you?
It means pain down my leg, something terrible.
Something terrible. I agree. Jana?
No, I just have the lower back.
Back. All right. So when you hear of sciatica, though, what comes to mind to you, Ginger?
Pain from the spine, down the butt, down the leg, back of the leg.
All right. Okay. I mean, you guys are all correct. Okay. Sciatica comes from the root word sciatic, which is your sciatic nerve. But where does your sciatic nerve come from? And let's start with that. Your sciatic nerve actually comes from 5 little nerves, or in medical terms, nerve roots. One nerve comes from L4. Now, what is L4? L stands for lumbar, which is your L4 is the second lowest vertebra in your lower back. Okay? L5 is the lowest one. So another nerve root comes from there. What does S stand for? Sacrum, which is the top of your tailbone. So one nerve root comes from S1. Another one from S2, another one from S3. They all join together to form your sciatic nerve. Now let's go to your worksheet. Does everyone have their worksheet? Okay, and their clipboards? Does everyone have a pen? Okay, we're good. So let's start. What is sciatica? Letter A. The sciatic nerve is the largest and longest nerve in the body. It is actually 5 nerves, as you can see from here. So anything that impacts L4, L5, S1, S2, S3, you will most likely get symptoms down your leg, and that's what people call sciatica. So letter B, 1B, it travels from the back, which is, again, L stands for lumbar, which is your lower back, travels from the back down the back of the thigh, the leg, into the foot. Actually, at the level of the knee, it splits into 2 big branches. So as it courses through your back, down the back of your thigh, at the level of the knee, it splits into 2. One branch goes to the calf, to the heel, down to the bottom of the foot. Another branch goes to the front of the shin right there, down the ankle to the top of the foot. That's why some of you will have pain, numbness, and tingling down the back into the bottom of the foot, while some of you will have pain down the shin to the ankle to the top of the foot. How many of you guys have pain going down the back into the bottom of the foot? Raise of hands. How many, on the other hand, have pain down the front? Okay. And again, it depends on which parts of the sciatic nerve is being impacted, and that's what determines where your pain, numbness, tingling would go. So in letter C, sciatica is basically pain running down the back of the leg caused by a problem in the back. Sciatica sufferers may experience pain, which most of you have pain, numbness, or tingling, burning. Some have heaviness in the leg, and some have gotten to the point where they have weakness in the leg. God bless you.